Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you exactly how to buy WordPress hosting from Bluehost, and it will be a step-by-step video. Bluehost is one of the most popular hosting providers for beginners. It is affordable, easy to set up, and officially recommended by WordPress. So if you are ready to launch your blog or website, let's get it started. So first of all, you just need to go to the bluehost.com. First open your browser and then land into bluehost.com, and on the home page you just need to click here the get started button, and this will take you to the hosting plan. Here I will click over here, get started, and here you can see the plan. So now you just need to choose your hosting plan. Bluehost has a few WordPress hosting plan like basic, plus, then choice plus, and last one is the e-commerce essentials. So here we have these advanced options also. Now I will talk about the basic plan, like it is best if you are just launching one website. Then here is the plus or choice plus option. It is great if you want unlimited sites, more storage, and free domain privacy. Then it is perfect for most beginners. The basic or choice plus plan is perfect. You just need to click to the select under the plan you want. So here I will click over here, but before that always read it properly. So I think in this basic plan I will get 10 website to hosted, then 10 GB storage, ideal for 24k 40k visitors per monthly, AI site creation tools, 30-day money back guarantee. That's amazing. Free domain first aid, that's really cool over here. But if you purchase the choice plus, it might be great. You definitely you will get further more options, but as a beginner I will choose this one basic plan. Just click over here, choose plan options. Now when you will come over that place, here you just need to be search your domain, because you already like see that they are providing us free domain. So I will search here we are digital, and then click for search for domain options. Like I already mentioned that you will choose your domain name. This is your website address, like your blog.com. Then type your name idea into the box. So here you can see we already get a couple of things over here. So if you're looking for .com, then here let's search for the refer, and then search for domain, and let's see is it available in .com or not. I think it may be available here. Yes, it already been available, so it redirect us to here, and .com domain is available, the refer.com, and it cost only 0. So Bluehost check if it is available. If you already own a domain, you can enter it too, and if you are not ready to choose yet, you can skip this step and pick your domain later. Then when you come over here in the cart panel, you will see all your purchase over that place. So here you can check this out. So if you have a promo code, you can apply it that place. So you just need to click to the continue to the checkout. So now you just need to create your account to complete all the process. So here you just need to provide your first name, last name, country, address, true, city, state, province, region, G, postal code, email, and phone. Once you're done, here you just need to provide your account information. Password will be used to access your account. So here you just need to provide your password. Then you just need to provide your card number. Once you did provide your card number, then the button will be accessible for you. So let me give you a tip. Like here you can see in the card panel that we are selected 3 years for the month, but like you always choose a 12, 14, or 36 month plan. Longer terms save you the most money from you, and uncheck any extra you don't need right now, like site lock, port guard, to keep it cheap. So here you can see they are providing this kind of a element. So if you feel that it is not necessary for you, you can just click to the delete, and the price will be removed from my card, and here you can see price will be changes this way. So now you just need to complete purchase and set up your WordPress. You just need to double check the total and enter your payment info and hit submit. Congrats, you will already purchase your WordPress hosting. Bluehost will guide you through setting up your WordPress site automatically. No tech skill needed. Just choose a theme, add your site name, and you are ready to start building your website. And that's it, super simple. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more website tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any question about Bluehost or WordPress. Thanks for watching and good luck building your site.